Hey guys, what's going on? Dave here, and today we are playing Roblox. You will not believe how many times I've tried to record this freaking video. You know what? I'm done fighting people. I'm gonna do this review with like freaking mobs. Wait one sec though. Oh shoot, this might actually. Okay, it doesn't good. Because I really was not looking for freaking spamming record and stop and stuff like that. It's very annoying. I'm gonna go in adventure campaign. I'm gonna try finding all the freaking the last coin. Cause I tried to, but I didn't find it ever. And also, of course, I have my weapons I'm gonna be showcasing. This and my shotgun pistol, these two. Oh, wait one sec. I think the shotgun pistol is very overpowered. These two are the ones I'm gonna be reviewing about. The reason I have excessive touch is to show you what I'm actually gonna be doing. I have a health pack for I get damage quite a bit and things like that. So yeah, I'm running, and I'm praying. Of course, that's what I do a lot. Seriously, that is what I do a lot. I just run, hide, and pray. Especially in this map, it's freaking creepy. Like, you would definitely be creeped out if you just woke up to a day where you find freaking trees that came to life trying to take you away from your house. Like, I'm not an expert, but that sounds like the freaking worst thing that could happen. Also, I do make my videos kid friendly, and so yeah, this is a serious yeah, I don't actually know where I'm going with this, but freaking like this video if you want to see more and things like that. I will, of course, post these things as long as you like them. Also, I'm gonna freaking die. Great. I'm gonna grab this and run and look around. Ooh, I saw something like I saw something that looked like a what? I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna play this. Actually, I will just to try one more time to find it. No, there should be a gem here. Like, I don't remember. Oh, I touched the lava. Okay, well then, I'm not gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one, castle. Wait, no. I remember that one. It has no hidden things. Not this one. Megapolis, I guess. This one I like a lot more since it's more modern day. Some of the other ones are like more back time. Like, going to space though definitely is not back time. Like, how could you say that was? I will be using my sniper on this map. But these weapons, you should not expect getting massive kill streaks with the shotgun pistol and the mech heavy gun, I think it's called. Heavy rifle. Cause them combined, they is the best things you can ever ask for. Sorry for speaking like that. I promise I'll never do it again. Is someone trying to shoot me with a freaking Desert Eagle? Oh, hello. The Secret Force Rifle. Secret Force Rifle. Desert Eagle, die. Great. They've noticed me. How have I survived all this? Also, how is he that dumb? Will I ever get my kill streak I need? Also, will you ever die? These are life mysteries that I need to find out. Cause frickin' I need to, seriously. Like, life mystery extraordinaire. Here's the weapon I'm also using. I can't touch. Okay, there we go. You know what? That's when I need to try looking for the gems. Once I've murdered all them. And I don't have to get them. Wait. So I can run around and make sure that I didn't miss the gem I need. Freaking, if I did, I would cry. If there was like one hidden, I would cry. Cause seriously, I need freaking the last gem. Like, I need it. I have two. I need one more to be able to open a lucky chest. If you actually farmed for these items, you should be like a pro. But I got it from the lucky chest, which is very funny. Oh shit. Okay. This is the last one. Freaking Final Frontier style. Alright, let's see if any of these have for the secret. Freaking how many shots does it take? What do you want to do? I hate this pixelated world. It makes my eyes go crazy. You don't see it, but my eyes are freaking spazzing out. It freaking hurts like heck. Okay, nothing here. Suicide. None there. Alright. So, I have no clue. Maybe in Space Station. Since there is that thing right there. Let's see. Oh, shoot, that's scary. So just hear that weird gun sound. I at least do though like how they implemented finally allowing a mob to have freaking weapons to shoot. But I don't think I'm gonna find any more beanies here. Dang it, I really needed one more gem. How? I guess I can do this. I think I might be using these weapons for now on since, well, they are so overpowered. So anyways, dudes, hope you liked this video. I will be pushing out new content soon. Hope you like this video. Stay awesome and peace out. Of course, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the group. And family, we are a family all together as one. You know, remember to comment before 1 hour it's been up live, and you will be replied. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a nice day and stay